Goals module. Doctors can record details of various objectives for patients to complete and further enhance their healthy well-being. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patients list and click on New Health Record and navigate to the Goals module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Goals. Click on the Add icon to enter information. Enter the goal details here. We can specify the start date from the calendar here. If the doctor feels that this particular goal could be used in a frequent basis, we provide our users with the option to store them as favorites or templates and use them in future visits. To save favorites, click on the Add as Favorite icon and click on the Save button. You can also use the Add Label button to assign details to labels from existing labels to create a new label. The same details can be stored to multiple labels. Enter the required details and click on Save. Click on the Favorite icon here to view the favorite goals stored and labels created. Click on Ellipse icon to view the labels and select any label to view details already stored in them. Clicking on the Add icon to easily import the information into the module. This will enable you to reduce a lot of charting time. Before completing the health record, if the doctor wants to delete or edit any of the information, click on the already saved information and click on the Trash icon to delete the details. To edit details, click on the already saved information, make the required changes and click on Save. Multiple goals can be saved for the same health record. You can navigate to a new health record and this data will be visible in the new EHR and in all future health records for this patient until completed. To complete, click on the previously saved information. Confirm if the goal has been completed by the patient. Once completed, the details will be moved to the past folder. You can view the past completed goals information by clicking on the ellipsis icon and selecting the past completed goals option from the drop-down. Clicking on the Add icon will also enable you to easily import the information into the module.